Hey, what's up guys, this is Tryptophan with another video. In this one we'll be watching Chewbacca play scientist.
SCV ready.
I haven't seen the replay, so I have no idea what's gonna happen. We can look at the top players in the top right. Looks like a pre-made with Zimmerzlik and Duck as the hunters. Where's the Zerg? Start with the corner eco, that's pretty much what I always do. It's a good spot there for it.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Yeah, it's a really good
The
spot
Grim
because
Reaper has arrived.
like the hunter's just not gonna walk by and nobody checks out. So here he uses 4 Reapers. I think 3 is better because with 4 and 3 are both 2-shotting. With 5 you can 1-shot, but that's not really
The Grim
no, he's going for
Reaper
5,
has
that's fine.
arrived.
Especially if you want to kill patrols. Like, I think if you're gonna play scientist, his 2 major strengths are killing all the patrols with Reapers on the map,
Ready for dust off.
and like the movement speed of units for like a late game push, just like stutter stepping with flashlight scans, like with 2-2. That can be strong too. Yeah. So you got an early medevac, which is
Explorer
perfectly fine versus
reporting.
dehaka. Doesn't really matter. I haven't really seen the new hero much. I don't think I played a single game of scientist since. But, I mean, it's pretty much the same theory. I'm not sure how good that
This better
ability
be good.
is. I think
Go, go, go!
the cloak is better
SCV ready.
or something. But, I don't know. Maybe even this ability. Like, so just make a second eco spot, that's always important.
SCV ready.
Marines are always a good outpost, but you might need to get +1 attack to match their +1 armor whenever that happens. If he's getting the Marines close to the wall, so that's good.
We're screwed.
I feel like there's probably some trick
We could use some
where
help
you use
here.
this Magellan or whatever it's called,
Gangway.
and like
Coming.
energy batteries,
You want a piece of me, boy?
like from Scion, sneak in the middle of nowhere. Because there's no way Zerg would ever suspect that. Especially if there's like no Artanis or Ascendant in the game. It'd just be the most troll thing ever. But I don't know if it'd be that effective. But it'd be pretty troll. What's another thing you could do? I don't know.
Gangway.
Stop an eco. Instant just put it in another place. So they get behind.
This better be good.
Yeah. Another strength of scientists, fire breaths,
Base is under
Marines.
attack.
Or
SCV
Reckonings.
ready.
That gets scanned instantly, that's always fun.
We could
But
use some help
hunters,
here.
bottom right,
We could use some help
so
here.
should be fine. 5? I guess it doesn't require that much XP. There's no way it's been near that many kills. Wait, does this do
Our
damage?
SCVs are under attack.
Is that why he got it? I literally have never played this. Okay, so that's a good reason to get it. If it does damage, it's pretty
Upgrade
good.
complete.
If the sharder missile does damage, that's good. So yeah, that is a good ability to get first. Yeah, so don't even listen. There's basing, bottom left. Dehaka's 90k. One of the weaknesses of Dehaka
Gangway.
is bases.
That's a negatory.
So going for an
It's
early base
blocked.
could just be a win condition versus Dehaka.
Gangway. Coming through.
And just like mass tier 1, with especially since Bailey nerf, like there's nothing Dehaka can do.
Let's have a blast. Kaboom, baby.
Oh wait, this is on EU, where
It's go
they
time.
can just spawn Baileyans.
Ghost reporting. Let's have a blast.
Yeah, but like on NA, this would look even more like a stomp. Yeah, so just attacking the
Go,
Hawkeyes.
go, go.
And GG. See you guys in the next video.